Hey Claiborne, maybe you remember when I talked about this set last time. It's a diver set that comes with three divers, one of which is wearing like the suit of armor diver outfit, and then it comes with one of those autonomous subs and an old school shark. It also comes with this box of treasure. And I loved this set so much that I was actually pretty sad that I didn't record putting it together. So what I thought that I would do this week is put together a similar set that I have and record that. This is the Deep Sea Scuba Scooter. Try to say that 3 times fast. It comes with a deep sea diver, the scuba scooter, and a scary octopus. Heads roll. So it's cool because it's got 2 different ranges of motion, and then it's got the propellers, and then of course Scuba Steve's on the back. The set also comes with the plant, which is not anything to write home about, and the octopus, which is very cool. However, they have you put a gem in its hand, and it's not very stable. It falls out really easily. Overall, I really like the scuba diver theme. It reminds me a lot of the theme when we were kids, and I wanted to get those sets when they came out then, and I really wish I'd picked up more of these sets when they were out a year or so ago. Well, that's all I have this week. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you next week. Over and out.